Okay, today we're gonna repair the brake caliper, front brake caliper on our Kawasaki project. So I recommend gloves because it's a pretty dirty job. In this case, not so dirty because I already clean everything. So I clean especially in the inner groove that will hold the seal, and this caliper have also the dust seal that protect the piston from the caliper. If you watch some early videos, our pistons were gone because we have rust spots here, and so we ordered a new one. It's high level, I don't know, I bought it from Louis, I think. So it's come like a kit with inner seal and dust seal and the new brake piston. What I noticed when I got it is that these pistons have this part in it, so we will leave it there. Original ones were a bit different, but I think it's quite the same. You have plastic part that it's lean on the brake pad. So first of all, we will oil it with some brake fluid and put this seal on in there in the inner groove. So before, as I said before, you need to clean everything. Let's put it there. I'll just put a bit of oils, brake oils, so I help with the process a little bit. Just, you know, to keep everything. So new piston when coming in won't be dry and rough on the new rubber. I will also put small amount on there. The great stuff are for cleaning this are the ear sticks, or how you call it. I'll put some oil. Don't use any other oil, you just need the brake oil for this. Brake oil is quite aggressive on the paint, but not on the rubber, because in master cylinder you have usually rubber sealing up there, and obviously it doesn't bother it. But it's pretty strong on the paint. Okay, so take the new ring and put it in that groove, and you must be, you know, careful not to twist it when putting in. Now when you are sure that everything is good, but piston is oiled, and now we have this dust seal that we will put firstly on piston, because piston get also the groove for the dust seal, but we will first put the piston just okay, like this. You see how he tends to, you know, to twist, so you need to straight him back, okay, like this. Then then you know, just get him over the edge with the lower side like this, so it has some free space, so you can put it in the groove in the caliper. And it's a little bit back and forth, but as you can see, it will not go straight away. Okay, so the trick here is not to push it hard, so you just I'm not going to bring it out because of the video, but you just put the caliper and with the dust seal as I show you, and then don't squeeze, you know, just took some screwdriver, you know, that you know it's not rough, and just squeeze it under, and it cannot go anywhere else but into the groove. And now we have the other groove, and you know, the piston will not go straight away probably, so you need to like slowly wiggle it down, and when you come to this and you press the piston, the dust seal will go into this groove. Here it is. He practically cannot go anywhere else. And you install your new dust seal. So now we have these two rubbers that are often, you know, you put the grease inside, so they are quite messy. And what I learned is, let me show you the best way that I can find out to clean this accordion type of rubbers. So basically you put the paper towel in it and then stretch it and squeeze it like this, and basically you are wiping off the grease from this, as you can see. Also, the great way for this is also the ear sticks. So now when I clean both of the rubbers, as you can see here, look disgusting, I know, but I didn't clean my ear, I promise you. It is just the rubbers. So now one rubber is going here past this, so like this, and one rubber is going like here on the other side, and we need to grease them inside. Let me do it. So I grease them with ceramic spray. It's my choice of grease, and you know, I cannot tell you is it better or not, but I like on the ceramic spray, I like that it's always stick, and when I remove the part, it's always full of this, well lubricated. I like this. So I will clean now that I spray a little bit here, and let's move on. Okay, I just put this bracket here, just stick them into this part and this part, and make sure that the rubbers are over these lips here that you cannot see now, but there is a lip for rubber to take on. I clean up the spring and the screws. So now I'll put on the spring, and it took me longer than I'm prepared to admit on how this spring go. So it's go not like this, what I thought, but like this, so it can have spring tension in it. Okay, the spring is on, Now let's put the brake pads. So first I will gonna use the old ones. I just cleaned them because they are quite good, and I don't know that passage of time is influencing on them. Of course we will probably change them, but for now and testing a bike and everything, they will do just fine. Okay, the brake pads are in. I will now put the nipple, a brake hose screw, and put it on the bike. Brake calipers are on. I will just torque this screw. My recommendation is you never torque the brake hose screw, because as I was explained from the professional, the copper now is much softer, and if you put new copper washes, and I did, you don't need a large amount of pressure to squeeze them and get the seal there. That's it. We have both calipers installed on the bike.